too much fun with that, bro.
All right, guys. So, John Deere. Obviously, you guys can kind of recognize the name. The company's still working today, still building products. So, in this one, just kind of told about his story, what he did. So, question number 1. Why do you think that plows were so important to the pioneers? You guys come up with. I said plows allowed the pioneers to develop the land and produce larger yields of crops. What'd you guys say? Aside, can you say what I just said? In your own words. Brody, what'd you say for number 1? Nothing. Why not? What do you think off the top of your head? Number 1.
So
Yep, so be used more efficiently? Absolutely, I would agree with that. Number 2, why was John Deere's way of manufacturing more efficient than the previous method? Tyler?
because he made his machines before he made the purchase, or sold them,
Right.
instead of where most people made them after they were ordered.
Right, he used that mass production idea. He, kind of how we see in the stores today, like we can go pull whatever we want off the shelves, go to the grocery store, you find a loaf of bread, you just pull off the shelves and that's yours. You don't have to wait for them to go make the bread and then you can buy it. Yeah, so that was his thing. He produced the plows prior to selling them afterwards. So, alright, let's go and put that away. Make sure it's stapled to your Explore page. Turn that in on Friday. So, you guys need the stapler, go ahead and send it around. All right, so yesterday we talked about Morse code and the telegraph. So up here I have made a little telegraph, or not really a telegraph, kind of more Morse code. This would have been something that kind of we see more during World War II, helping communicate with ships. Originally I was going to build a telegraph, but it'd be hard for like Phoenix and Bradley, you guys, to see the paper clip hit the nail. But I just realized I got ahead of myself. We never did good things. So, Katie, what do you have for us? Very cool. Very cool. Just a club soccer team. All right. Congratulations. 1, 2. What's that? Almost spring break. Absolutely. Do you have any big plans? No? Just gonna sleep in, hang out. All right. Sounds good. 1, 2. Alex? You're here today. That is a good thing. That is a very good thing. All right. 1, 2. And Mama? Mama farm last night. What is that? Very cool. Very cool. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Glad you enjoyed. 1, 2. All right. So, like I was saying, what they did was right up here. I have, not hard to see. I've got my switchboard. So it's just a piece of cardboard with some wires attached and a paper clip. And when I connect it, it completes the circuit. So, and with Morse code, like we were talking yesterday, it was that system of dots and dashes. So it was different dots and dashes for each letter. So like if I wanted to say hi, I would literally, for the letter H, be 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, then I is 2 more dots. So I have just used Morse code to communicate hi. Or if I was to say, go Lions, then Goddard, G is two dashes and a dot, so it'll be 1, 2, dot, and then you get a little space, and then Lions would be, all right, for the L it's 1 dot, 1 dash, 1, 2, there's your L, and then Mike said earlier, I is 1, 2, O is, I believe, yep, there's 3 dashes, so 1, 2, 3, and then N is a dash and a dot, and then S is 1, 2, 3. So, works very much works like that. Any words you guys want to, any appropriate words you guys want to see me do? Your name? All right, Ethan. All right, so you're gonna have to remind me how to spell it, but I, 1, 2, Z. All right, that's 2 dashes, 2, 1, 2, H, 1, 2, 3, 4, N, and that was a dash and a dot. I just spelled Eason. So, Phoenix?
Bacon.
Bacon. All love bacon. All right. So, bacon. Dash, dot, dot, dot for the B. Dot, dash for the A. And then it's dash, dot, dash, dot for the C. And the O is 3 dashes. And the N is a dash and a dot. So, there you go. Tyler, we'll do 2 more. So we'll do Tyler and then Bradley. Okay, if you can spell that, I will do it. You got another word? Super? I can do super. Alright, so the S is 3 dots. And then the U is dot, dot, dash. And the P is dot, dash, dash, dot. Right on the floor, thank you. E is just a single dot, because it is the shortest, or is the most common word or letter. And then the R is dot, dash, dot. Super. Bradley? Minecraft. All right. So. Oh, so it's 2 words? It's not 1 word?
No, it's 1 word. 1 word.
Even Minecraft, bro?
I do not Minecraft, bro.
No Minecraft, bro, what the hell?
All right, so Minecraft. So the M is 2 dashes. The I is 1, 2. N is dash, dot. E is dot. And then craft. Dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. And A, dot, dash. And then F is 1, 2, dash, dot. And then T is just a dash.
Minecraft, bro.
And it's Minecraft. So, all right, we'll go ahead and continue on. Sorry, Kate. We have to get moving on. I'll give you guys time to work on your assignment and that sort of thing. So while I am getting set up again, go ahead and turn in your books to page 404. We're going to continue where we left off yesterday. There we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and continue on talking about farm equipment. I can go with John Deere. So since you guys read a little bit yesterday, but I'm going to go ahead and have you guys reread the improved farm equipment section. And while you're reading, I want you to keep thinking of, or think about again, how did Cyrus McCormick promote his product? What were the marketing techniques he used? So, give you guys a few minutes to do so. Let's go ahead and get started.